Curious about how to insure your newly renovated home without a warranty or PCC? Let's explore your options. Welcome. Every day, I break down personal finance questions asked on Stack Exchange, highlight the community's best answers, and sprinkle in some actionable takeaways. If you're into learning a little more about money each day, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Now let's dig into today's question. Today we're exploring a common question. How can someone insure a renovated home without a PCC or warranty? Here's the original question as it was posted to Stack Exchange. I'm going to scroll through it quickly so you can see the whole question, but feel free to pause the video if you want more time to read it. Don't worry. After this, I'll walk you through the key points of the question so you get the big picture. So in summary, this person is buying an old building that's been fixed up into a home. They're concerned because the sellers didn't get a PCC or structural warranty. They're wondering if this could mess with getting building insurance, bump up the premiums, or cause trouble if they need to make a claim. Here's the top-rated answer from the community on Stack Exchange. I'll scroll through it quickly so you can see the full answer. Feel free to pause the video if you want more time to read it. Don't worry, I'll highlight the key points of this answer in just a few moments. In this answer, it's noted that insurance companies usually don't ask for building paperwork, so it doesn't affect getting insurance or the premiums. However, if building work is incorrect, it might complicate claims, as policies often exclude issues from improper construction. Now, before we jump into the next part, if this video has been helpful so far, be sure to tap the like button and subscribe to the channel. We post new personal finance videos every day to help you make smarter money moves. Alright, now that we've seen what the community had to say, here's our take on this question. Insurers may still offer coverage, but without a PCC or warranty, the terms might change. It's a good idea to chat with insurers who understand unique properties. Premiums could be higher due to risks from unverified renovations, so getting a thorough independent survey might help. If defects pop up later, keeping detailed records and photos of the renovation can be really useful for claims. So in this video, we've discussed how lacking a PCC or warranty for a renovated home can complicate insurance terms. Premiums might go up due to perceived risks, and insurers could scrutinize claims if defects appear linked to the renovations. Independent surveys can help reassure insurers about the property's condition. Thanks for watching. Before you go, did you learn something new from this video? If so, be sure to drop a like on the video to let us know.